Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen where the sugar, spice, and everything nice where we slice, dice, and entice using everything we can from peppers to allspice. What's up my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Oh, the ingredients for garlic parmesan wings will be chicken wings, of course. Now these are bone-in chicken wings. If you want to use boneless, you can. Quarter cup of vegetable oil, salt, pepper, butter, minced garlic, parsley, Parmesan cheese, and red pepper flakes. Check that out. That's all we need. Now, the thing about it is you need a pan with a rack on it like that. And you need your oven to be at 400 degrees. Now, y'all know what I always say. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, we need nothing for the beginning of this except salt and pepper. Because everything is going to come from that sauce, that garlic parmesan sauce. Everything is going to come from that. So, just want to make sure you got enough. All right, got enough salt and pepper. Got some coarse sea salt right there. So, y'all know me. I'm going to put a little onion powder on mine. That's just me. I'll give you the regular ingredients that I use, though. All right, and once that's done, we want to put our quarter cup of vegetable oil. Now, make sure this is evenly coated, all of it. So make sure the salt and pepper, like you got all of that, onion powder, all that is on every wing, every single wing. All right. I think I'm gonna put a little more onion powder. Yeah, I smell it, but I want a little bit more on here. Yeah. Okay. Check that out. And that's perfect. So this is the party wings. This is a 2.5 pound bag. So 2.5 pounds of bone-in chicken wings. You can use whole wings too if you like. Or like I said, boneless. So it's really up to you. Alright, that's mixed up. We got our rack on here. We good to go. Hold on a second. I'm gonna make sure it's centered. Now, don't worry about non-stick spray because we've got oil on these wings. Now, the reason why we're using the rack is because we want the wings to get crispy. And if we do it this way, then the air will circulate under. So it'll get the top of it crispy and the bottom of it too. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got a feather. Sorry, y'all. Ew. All right. So put that on there. And let's move these up a little bit. Make sure. All right, these are going to go in for anywhere between 40 and 50 minutes. What you're going to do is you're going to check your wings and you're going to make sure because you just about know when they're done. So we'll see. All right, so we'll be back in 40 to 50 minutes. All right, so you're going to get your chicken out and this is what you're looking for. So you can hear that? You look for a nice, crispy, even coating all the way around. All right? All right, so let's make the garlic parmesan sauce right now. All right, so 1 teaspoon. All right, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Got it? All right, it's gonna be four teaspoons of garlic. Don't worry about the juice that's in the garlic. Don't worry about it. So I'm do like 4 little heaping teaspoons of it. I know I'm hitting on that bowl. I know it. I'm gonna go with 2. That's why I like these. You see the regular one like that? So I got these off Amazon. You see that skinny side that'll go down in the jar. All right. So I got 2 tablespoons of parsley. Got it. That's about it. Leave it. All right, and then I have 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now, all right. All right, this is a 1/4 cup scoop. So what I'm gonna do with this 1/4 cup scoop is I'm gonna fill this sucker up 3 times. How about that? All right. It's overflowing a little bit. That's quite all right. I know we got a big ball right there. That's cool. All right, that's cool right there. All right, let me get a spoon and stir this. I'm going to hip you to something really quickly, because sometimes, you know, when you think of recipes, sometimes they don't quite work out the way you want them to work out. Now, check this out. So I'm going to whisk this. I'm going to stir this up really, really well. Now, the thing about it is, when you're looking at the mixture right there, it's quite thick, quite a bit thick. Now, that's a little thick for me. You know, it may not be for you, but that's a little bit thick for me. It does stir up, but it's extremely, look at that. It almost looks like a spinach dip. I ain't trying to be funny, but it almost looks like a damn spinach dip. So, anyway, I'm going to melt another half stick of butter for myself. And I'm going to put that half stick in. Well, I didn't. I put a quarter at first so I could see. So I stirred it up because I don't want it too thin. I do want a coating on the wings. So just in case you do the same thing. So start off with one stick. Do the same thing I did. Start off with one stick. If that one stick doesn't do what you want it to do, then add another half stick like I just did. And so that's why I put in the recipe 1.5 sticks of butter. But I do start off with one stick in the beginning. Alright, so that is the consistency I'm looking for. Now this should coat the wings beautifully. What you want to do is you want to get yourself a bowl and you want to put some of the garlic parmesan mixture in there. Alright, so you want to make sure that your bowl has a top because you want to toss these around in there. But if you want to toss them with a spoon or something like that without a top, you can do that too. It'll work. But I just like to shake mine up, so I usually use something with a top. Alright, so I'm going to put some of the wings in here. Alright, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Top on. Let's shake it up. Let's shake it all around. Do the hokey pokey. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yes, shake it very well. Alright. And do let your wings cool off too when you take them out of the oven. Let them cool off for a few minutes. Because sometimes when you shake them up like this and you'll mess with that skin on there if they're too hot. So you don't want to do that. Same as you do hot wings. So just make sure you shake them up. You got your wings coated. So when you look at them, make sure it's completely coated. So you see that butter on there, and you see everything else sticking to that coating. So that's what you're looking for. All right. So make sure it's sticking, and we good to go. Now here's how I turned them buffalo. I tossed the wings in a buffalo sauce first, as you can see right there, and then I tossed them in the garlic parmesan sauce. So that makes it buffalo garlic parmesan, adds another dimension to it. It is so good. You have to try these. You have to. They are really, really, really good. And I prefer those actually over just regular garlic parmesan wings, but it's really going to be up to you. So they end up looking like this, and I put a ranch dipping sauce on the side. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.